Hello, I found a simple app where you answer short questions on your phone and you actually get paid. No crypto nonsense, no fake promises, just straight to the point. And I've tested it myself. You don't need big skills, you don't need an investment. All you need is a phone and internet. I tried it last week and I already cashed out my first payment. It's not millions, yeah, but come on, it's easy extra money that can cover small daily expenses. Now, I'm not going to drop the name here, okay? Because the moment I do, people will rush in, mess up the method, and it won't work as well. So, if you want the exact app and my personal guide on how to make it pay you weekly, just send me a DM on WhatsApp. The link is in the pinned comment. Don't waste time searching randomly on Google. I've already done the trial and error for you. DM me right now, and I'll walk you through step by step. Simple, direct, no stress. The link is below in the comment section. I'll see you there.